Hey, welcome everybody. Kelly here from Beacon Off-Road. Today in my shop, I got my 4th gen Tacoma here behind me, and today we're going to install some Bulletproof Fabricating bed stiffeners, so stay tuned. Here we have everything that's included in the kit. Of course, we have the 2 bed stiffeners, we have all the supplied hardware that we're going to use, and then we'll just need a couple of tools. I have an electric impact. You can go ahead and use a ratchet if you like. I also have a 10mm socket, a T55 socket, and a T40 socket, and then I do have a drill bit, which is a 5/16 for the drilled option, but it is able to install as no drill. So let's get after this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these 2 10mm bolts. Very simple. And we'll just put those to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the T55 bed bolt. Next on the list is the T40 tie-down bolt. Now be aware when you remove this, there is washers underneath here, and the reason is this is able to be tightened and spin. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take these out. For reference, we have the bolt here and we have the washers and spacers in there like this. Now we're ready for install. What I've gone ahead and done here is I have placed the washers back into the hole, so they're sitting in there. I'm going to go ahead and take the bed stiffener and I'm going to just put it in place. And then what I will do is we're going to take the large bed bolt and we're just going to start it by hand, just so it's in place. And then we can take the tie down and we can go ahead and put this in the hole as well. You can use the socket if you like. Now we need to install the upper spacer and bolts. So I've taken one of the smaller bolts and a washer and one of the supplied spacers. And because we haven't tightened this up yet, we're able to just rock this forward just a little bit. We can put the spacer behind, slip the bolt through so it will hold itself. And then we can start this by hand as well. So we'll get that one in there. This other spacer in the back here. The other bolt. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten that down. Now something I did forget to mention, the 2 different supplied hardwares for, this is the top bolt, this is for the drilling option. You're going to need a 4mm and a 5mm hex socket to tighten those down. So something just like that. Lastly, we're gonna need to tighten this up. I would just kind of give this a firm tug or bump to make sure that's sitting all the way that way. We're gonna go ahead and tighten these top bolts down here. Now remember, these are quite small, so don't over torque these. Unfortunately, I do not have a torque spec for this bolt up here, but they are quite thin. This gun I was using here is actually quite light powered, so you're probably going to want to go ahead and check those by hand. The T55 bed bolt, we can snug that down. And then the T40 tie down bolt. Now because we put the washers back in the tie down bolt, we are still able to turn the tie down. So if it's useful to you in any way, of course we have the great tie downs as part of this, or loops as part of this. So it's your option, it leaves it available for you. We have this on here and it's very sturdy. We can definitely move the truck. So this is very good on its own. Now if you wanted to do the drill option, you can see that we have 2 holes right here and right here. You might be able to see that well on camera, but there is 2 holes. You'll have those very well. You can get this 5/16 drill bit. We can drill both of those in place. If we do that, we're going to need to remove the tail light. There's a 10mm here, a 10mm here, and we're going to pop the tail light outwards. So basically we're going to pull it this way and that will give us access there. What we have is the bracket from for the reverse side that will go inside behind, and then you can use a bolt and washer that's supplied, and we can go ahead and we can tighten those down just like that and tighten this down like that. We will go ahead and put a washer on either side, and that will sandwich the whole thing together for an even more load. So just in case maybe you're really going to load your bed, there's a great option for you. Well, now all you have to do is the other side. this really shouldn't take you very long. Even if you wanted to do the drilling option, that really won't take you too much time as well. So I hope you enjoy your Bulletproof Fabricating stiffeners, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.